Have you ever wondered, where were you before you were born? The answer is both simple and profound. You were already here, not as a conscious self, but as matter and energy. The atoms that form your body once coursed through oceans, clouds, and ancient stars. Life isn't a series of separate beginnings, but one unbroken chain stretching back nearly 4 billion years. You are not newly made, you are newly arranged. If divinity exists, it's not in the heavens, but within life itself. It's the DNA molecule, the universal language of creation, the same code in bacteria and in us. This is natural reincarnation. When we die, our atoms return to the earth, nourishing new life. You are reborn endlessly, not as the same person, but as part of the continuous, sacred dance of matter. You don't need salvation, you're already part of life.